Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, loosen the 2 captive screws on the back of the base cover. Then remove the 7 screws and lift the cover off the system. Find the battery cable and remove the piece of tape. Unplug the battery cable. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screws securing it. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, place it back in the system. Tighten the screw to secure it. Plug in the battery cable and reattach the piece of tape. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 9 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.